Hi everyone and welcome to today's Excel with Accelerate tutorial. So real quick, we're going to be talking about how to insert hyperlinks into your workbook. You can insert this in three ways: by either right clicking and going to insert link, or going to insert and going to links, and also by using the shortcut key Ctrl K. So here we could, let's say we want to reference this particular cell C10 to a website of say Google, we can just right click here, click on link, and then insert link here. Or we could go to insert and come to link and come to insert link. Or better still, just press and hold Ctrl K and a pop-up like this comes out. Okay, so let's say I want to reference this to google.com. I could say that I want this to go to www.google.com, and on the screen tip I can put a tip to tell anyone who is looking at that document what exactly is going on or is going to happen once that hyperlink is clicked. I could just say takes you to google.com. Okay, once I click OK and click OK here, I can always just come here, click it, and it takes me instantly to Google. Okay, this you can use to do anything. You can use it to link other worksheets, other cells in your workbook. We're going to do that next week, but I just want to let you know that Ctrl K can help you do that easily instead of going to insert and looking for where a link is. I hope you've been able to learn a thing or two on this. Please follow us on our social media handles or at Accelerate on all social media platforms. Join our Telegram group to learn more on Excel, and also stay tuned on this Twitter handle to also get a lot of tips on Excel. Catch you next week. Thank you.